and go through one by one. There are actually 3 persons in the equation, right? So we know that the amount N has is 1 over 2 of the amount of Ben and Chai. So over here, you can do, this one is here, 1, and this one is 2. So I can write here, A, then we have Ben and Chai, 1, 2. Okay, then the other one is the amount Ben has. So Ben is, in this case, these are all fractions, you know it's a fraction, okay? Is the total amount of Cai Ying and Anna and S. Okay, so this, okay, okay, so it's 1 over 3. So what fractions is of the total sum of money does Cai Ying have? Sound very confusing, right? But then I remember that whenever I see such question, I try to see what is the same. Ask yourself what is the same in this equation. They share the same sum of money. Share a sum of money. So my money, no matter I compare how, so my money A, the two of them add together must be equals to A, B, and C, correct? Correct. That means the total of how I compare A with B and C, or B with C and A, or C with A and B, it must all total out to be the same. This is the first thing. So if I were to see here, this is 1 and 2. It total out to be 3, right? This is 1 and 4. It total out to be 1 and 3. So how can I make it the same? Very simple. Over here, because here I can times 4. Here I can times 3. So there should be total out to be 12 units. I times 4, here becomes 4. I times 4, here becomes 8. Here I times 3, here becomes 3. And here becomes 9. Okay? Then I can combine these two together to give me a clearer picture. Like how I can draw? I can draw A, which is in this case is 4. B is actually 3, so I draw it down here. B is actually 3. And Cai Ying is how many? You can either use this over here or you can use this over here. So if when Cai Ying, okay, since Cai Ying is now above A, I use this one. This whole thing is 9. If this whole thing is 9 and this portion is 4, Cai Ying must be 5 unit here. And you know this all total out to be 12 units, right? So what is the fraction of the total sum of money did Cai Ying have? So it's 5 over 12. Because Cai Ying here is 5. Oh, sorry. This, I hope that you understand it. I should label it in this way. Cai Ying here is actually 5 over 12. Okay, because I already know that if A is, you can use this Cai Ying at A is actually 4. Then Cai Ying must be 5. Okay, so this 5 units is here. Okay, this is number 1. And then number 2 is what? If Cai Ying has 1850, how much money does they share all together? So it's very easy. Because you know that 1 unit, you know that in this case 5 units, because I have 5 over 12, equals to 1850. I know that the total sum of money that they share, which is this case, equals to 12, right? So 12 units will be, you can actually do a simple thing is 12 times 180. Divide the whole thing, divide 5, and then you will have an answer of this. Simple, right? Oops. Questions you still can use guess and check, but then you must first get your concept correct. Because you see that one day I saved 2 20 cents or 50 cents. So one day I will have saved 2 coins. I will not save 4 coins, 2 coins, because it's either or. So one day I will have 2 coins. And I know that there is actually 70 days. 70 days will be equate to 440 coins. Can you see over here, you take it as 1 day as 1 coin. So your total amount, you put it as 70 coins. No, it is not true. And then I can quickly draw my guess and check. Okay, before I draw my guess and check, there's another important information here. I know that the value, just now here is the number of coins. Then now here is become the value. Okay. And then here it becomes the value. So the value, I know my 20 cent value of my 20 cent is more than my 50 cent. By how much? Here is actually $1.40. So if I were to change it all into cent to make it all even, it's 140 cent. Okay. So I can now quickly do my guess and check. Here is number of coins for 20 cent. And then here is the value. Here's the value. Here is number of coins, 50 cent. And then here is the value. And then I know that I must have total of 140 coins. And the difference of the dollar of money of for 20 cent minus 50 cent must be equals to 140 cent. Okay. So I take 140 as all to 20 cent because I know that it's have more value at the end, correct? And then I will notice that it's 2800, and then here 0 and 0, 140. So 2800 is not what I want because I want 140. So I take 2800 divide 140. I notice that I must give 20 of my 20 cent to become a 50 cent. So I will give. And then I will start the calculation again. So here is 2400. And then here is 1000. And then, yeah, here's 140. And then here is, I notice that 2400 minus 1000 is 1400. It's still not 140. So I divide again. How much I must give again? This time I must give another 10. So I give another 10. So once I give another 10, here it becomes 1100. Then here is 2200. And then here increase because I add another 10, right? And then here is become 1500. Total number of coins is still the same. Is this correct? Once I take 2200 minus 1500, it gives me 700. But then it's still not 140. So I divide again. See this time how much must I give again? I must give 5. Okay, I give 5. I try and give 5 again. So when I give 5, here is reduced by 5. And then here it becomes 2100. And then here is additional of 5. So, and then the value for 50 cent is this. This is 140 again. And then now the difference is 350. It's still not the 140 that I want because I know the difference is 140, right? I divide again. And it gives me a decimal place. Okay, I cannot be giving decimal place. How do I cut the coins, right? So I just draw it out. I try my luck. I just draw it out to 3. And this time I need to give additional 3 more to the 50 cent. And then if I were to give the 3 more, here it become 1200. And then here I calculate, okay. Then here is 38. Then 49. And then, yeah, when you do the minus, right, 2040 minus 1900, you have 140 cent. Which is, this is the correct one. Okay? And then it says what? It says what is the ratio of the numbers of this. It saved the 20 cent to the numbers of this. She saved the 50 cent coin.